Good morning everyone. Today's topic is climbers and creepers, importance, selection, propagation and planting. The climber is a plant capable of climbing over a support. These plants possess some special structures like thorns, wild rose bougainvillea, tendrils, Antigonal Leptopus bignonia, rootless ficus repens, through which they climb over the support structure. Some plants do not possess such type of supportive structure but still climb over the structure. Such plants twin themselves spirally around support and are referred to as twinners. Hyptes, Lonicera, Aspergus, etc. are twinners. Other kinds of plants are also there. These plants are not capable of to climb but somehow manage to support themselves over the stem or branches. These types of plant are termed as ramblers and stragglers. Quisqueles indica is an example of ramblers and stragglers. Besides these, some different category of plant is also found. These plants do not climb vertically on their own support but grow horizontally and are termed as creepers. Commonly speaking, these all kind of plants are termed as vine. Importance or utility. Climbers enhance the beauty of the garden. The bare wall of building which looks ugly can be beautified easily with the help of climbers. Climbers serve the purpose of screen and maintain privacy in the garden. Trellis, orchards and pergola can be decorated with the use of climbers. Climbers are trained over conservatories, lath houses and net houses to create shade inside the structure. Now we would like to discuss cultivation of these climbers. There is a wide variety of climbers, each having their own cultivation requirements. However, some common cultivation tips are there which are practiced for a variety of climbers. Generally, open site having ample availability of sunshine is considered suitable for the growth of climbers. On selected site, the pits are prepared during hottest summer to get the soil sterilized. A pit of 45 into 45 into 45 centimeter to 75 into 75 into 75 centimeter size is prepared depending upon nature and growth of climber. After leaving exposed the pits for 15 days, the pits are filled using 30 to 40 kg FYM, same quantity of soil and 100 gram polydol dust per pit. The planting is best undertaken during rainy season. Provided ample watering facility exists, the plants can be planted during spring also. In that case, the pit should be prepared at least 1 month before planting. Heavy climber that grows vigorously is planted at a distance of 3 meter. Light climber taking medium growth is planted at 1.2 to 1.5 meter distance. The climber like ficus repens planted to cover a wall is planted at a distance of 25 into 30 centimeter. The required support is provided at the very beginning stage of growth. Regular training and pruning is practiced to maintain a proper shape of the climbers. To supplement nutritional requirement, manures and fertilizers are given time to time as per the need of the plants. Generally, manures are applied before rainy season so that they rot with rainwater and nutrients may become available to the plants. Nutrients are applied during active growth condition of the plants. Generally, February, March and July are optimum time for applying nutrients. I am giving some common climbers here in the tabular form. Their botanical name, common name, family, flower color, flowering time, mode of propagation, propagation time and general remarks. Adenocallima alliaceum. It belongs to family Bignoniaceae. It produces pink color of flowers. Flowering time is several times in a year and mode of propagation is layering as well as cutting and the time of propagation is during rainy season. Almanda cathartica. It belongs to family Apocynaceae and produces yellow color of flower. Flowering time is all round the year. Mode of propagation is cutting as well as through layering and the time of propagation is rainy season. Flowers are scented. Antigonal Leptopus, it is called coral vine, belongs to family Polygonaceae. It produces red color of flower and throughout the year. Propagation is done through seed as well as through cutting, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Aristolaceae grandiflora, it is called Hanslata, belongs to family Aristochelacea, and it produces brown color of flower. Flowering time is October to November, and the mode of propagation is through seed as well as through layering, and time of propagation is rainy season. It produces offensive color flower planted away from house. Artobotrys odoratissimus, it is called Kanthali Champa, belongs to family Anonaceae. It produces greenish yellow flowers and throughout the year. Propagation is done through seed and as well as through layering. It is propagated during rainy season. It is a large woody climber. Bignonia benesta, it is called golden sour. It belongs to family Bignoniaceae. It produces golden color of flowers during January to February. Propagation is done through cutting and layering, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Bougainvillea species, it is called Bougainvillea, very important climber in the garden, even in the home gardens. It belongs to family Nyctaginaceae. It produces varied shades of colors. Flowering time September to December and February to June. Propagation is done through cutting and layering, and the time of propagation is right from July to August and February to March. Canopsis grandiflora, it is called Chinese trumpet creeper, belongs to family Bignoniaceae. It produces deep orange flowers during rainy season. Root sucker and cutting are the method of propagation, and propagation timing is January. Conamthera macrophylla, it belongs to family Apocynaceae. It produces white color of flowers during rainy season. Propagation is done through layering, and the time of propagation is May to July. It produces huge nature climber. Clematis paniculata, it belongs to family Ranunculaceae. It produces white color of flower during June-July, and propagation is mainly done through layering, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Chlorodendron splendens, it belongs to family Bourbanaceae. It produces crimson color of flowers during winter. Layering and root sucker are the method of propagation, and propagation is done during rainy season. Combretum comitium, it belongs to family Combretaceae. It produces orange red color of flowers during February to June. Propagation are done through cutting and layering, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Congia tomentosa, it belongs to family Bourbanaceae. It produces pinkish color of flowers during February to June, and method of propagation are cutting and layering, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Cryptostasia grandiflora, it is called Chabuk cherry, belongs to family Aspilipidaceae. It produces reddish purple color of flower during summer as well as during rainy season. Propagation is mainly done through cutting and layering. Propagation time is rainy season. Delimas sarmentosa, it belongs to family Delineaceae. It produces white color of flowers during summer. Propagation of plant is done through cutting of young shoots, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Flowers are generally strongly scented. Echidus caryophyllata, it is called Malthilata. It belongs to family Apocynaceae and produces white color of flowers during June to September. Propagations are done through seed as well as through layering, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Ficus repens, it is called creeping fig or Indian ivy, belongs to family Moraceae. Propagation is done through cutting. It is planted in the garden for foliage beauty. Gloriosa superba, it is called climbing lily or glory lily, belongs to family Liliaceae. It produces dark red color of flowers during July to September, and propagation is mainly done through tubers, and the time of propagation is March to April. Heptaceae bengalensis, it is called Madhvilata, belongs to family Malpighiaceae. It produces white and yellow color of flowers during late winter. Propagation is done through layering as well as through seed, and time of propagation is rainy, and it produces scented flowers, and it is very important climber in the garden. Hoya carosa, it is called wax plant or wax flower. Aspilipidaceae is the family. It is propagated through stem or leaf cuttings, and the time of propagation is March and July. It is planted in the garden for foliage beauty. Ipomia carica, it is called railway keeper, very common climber in the garden. It belongs to family Convolvulaceae. It produces purple color of flower throughout the year, and propagation is done through cutting as well as through layering, and the time of propagation is July to August. Jacomansia pentantha, it belongs to family Convolvulaceae. It produces violet blue color of flower throughout the year. Propagation is done through seed cutting and layering, and time of propagation is during July to August. Jasminum humile, it is called Sorn Chameli or Pili Chameli. It belongs to family Oleaceae, and it produces yellow color of flowers during winter. Propagation of Jasminum humile is done through cutting of shoot, and the time of propagation is during winter. Lonicera japonica, it is called honeysuckle, belongs to family Caprifoliaceae. It produces white color of flowers during winter. Propagation is done through cutting as well as through layering, and the time of propagation is July to August. It also produces scented flowers. Monstera deloides is a very important foliage plants. It belongs to family Araceae. Propagation is done through stem cuttings during July, and it is planted in the garden for foliage beauty purpose. Passiflora edulis, Jhumka lata, it belongs to family Passifloraceae. It produces white color of flower during July to November, and propagation is mainly done through layering in the month of July. It bears edible fruit also. Pergularia odoratissima, it is called Labang lata. It produces greenish yellow color of flowers throughout the year. Propagation is mainly done through sucker as well as through layering, and the time of propagation is July. Petria volubilis, it is called purple wreath, belongs to family Bourbanaceae. It produces mauve color of flowers during spring as well as during early summer. Propagation is mainly done through cutting, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Philodendron adianum, it belongs to family Araceae. Propagation is done through stem cuttings in the and time of propagation is rainy season. It is also planted for foliage beauty. Piper ormatum, it belongs to family Piperaceae. Propagation is done through cutting, and the time of propagation is rainy season. It is also planted in the garden for foliage beauty. Purana paniculata, it is called Safed bell, belongs to family Convolvulaceae. It produces white color of flowers during winter, and propagation is done through cuttings, and the time of propagation is rainy season. It is also planted for foliage beauty purpose in the garden. Pathos or money plant, it is very important house plants, and generally it is also seen in the home gardens as well as in the general gardens. The scientific name is Syndaspes aureus, belongs to family Araceae, and propagation is very easy and it is done through cuttings during spring rainy season, and it is planted for foliage beauty purpose. Quiscalis indica, it is called Madhu Malti, Rangoon ki bell or Rangoon creeper, belongs to family Combretaceae. It produces white pink colored flowers throughout the year. Propagation is done through cutting as well as through layering, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Ropelia grata, it belongs to family Apocynaceae. It produces white color of flowers during summer. Propagation is mainly done through cutting, and the time of propagation is rainy season. It produces scented flowers. Solendra grandiflora, it is called trumpet flower, belongs to family Solanaceae. Brownish yellow color produced by the plants, and the flowering time is summer. It is propagated through seeds as well as through cuttings, and the time of propagation is rainy season. It produces scented flowers. Solanum jasminoides, it is called potato vine, belongs to family Solanaceae. It produces bluish white flowers during summer, and propagation is mainly done through layering, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Spomia bonaenax, it is called moon flower, good night flower, belongs to family Convolvulaceae, and it produces white color of flowers, and flowering time is summer as well as rainy season. Propagation is done through seed, and the time of propagation is February to March. Stiphaenoides jasminoides, it is called Madagascar jasmine, belongs to family Asclepiadaceae. It produces white color of flowers during summer, as well as during rainy seasons. Propagation is done through layering, and the time of propagation is rainy season. It produces scented flowers. Stegmophyllum ciliatum, it is called golden vine. It belongs to family Malpighiaceae. It produces bright yellow flowers during summer months. Propagation is done through layering and cutting, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Trichoma jasminoides, it is called bower plant of Australia. It belongs to family Bignoniaceae. It produces white color of flowers right from August to October. Semi-hard and stem cuttings are the main method of propagation, and propagation is done during rainy seasons. Thunbergia alata, it is called black-eyed Susan, belongs to family Acanthaceae. It produces orange, yellow, buff and white flowers during winter. Propagation is done through seed, and the time of propagation is September, and it is annual in nature. Thunbergia grandiflora, it is called clock vine, belongs to family Acanthaceae. It produces blue color of flowers during February to July, and propagation is mainly done through seeds. Time of propagation is September. It is annual in nature. Teclospermum jasminoides, it is called jest or jasmine, belongs to family Apocynaceae. It produces white color of flowers during summer. Propagation is mainly done through cutting as well as through layering, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Tistelacia australacea, it belongs to family Malpighiaceae. It produces yellow color of flowers throughout the year. Propagation is done through seed as well as through layering, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Bellaris henai, it belongs to family Apocynaceae. It produces white color of flowers during February to April. Propagation is done through layering as well as through cutting, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Vernonia illinganifolia, it belongs to family Compositae. Propagation is done through cutting, and the time of propagation is rainy season. It is planted in the garden for foliage beauty. Wisteria sinensis, it is called Chinese wisteria, belongs to family Leguminosae. It produces mauve color of flowers during April-May, and propagation is done through layering, and the time of propagation is rainy season. Thank you for patience hearing.